What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here in my garage. I'm working on the Volvo right now, getting parts off of it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing, and I'm gonna give you a quick update on all the parts. As you guys can see, I took the front end off of this car, getting some of the parts off. I've also started working on the interior parts, getting some of that stuff out. There's still more to do. There's not much done back here, but I did take out parts in the tailgate. Right here, I got some of the parts laid out that I took off that I'm going to sell. I have the third brake light, the tailgate latch, the rear window motor, the tweeter speakers, A-pillar trim, sun visors, the headlights, radio. This is the driver's seat control, instrument cluster. So I've started taking some of this stuff out. Over here I have the reinforcement, the front reinforcement and the headlight panel. I'm going to sell the front reinforcement. I'm not sure about the headlight panel, but it is in good shape. There's nothing wrong with it. I got the bumper over here, but I'm not planning on doing anything with that. I did take the fog lights out. But once again, I have this bumper available. If anybody locally wants to come buy it, I will sell to them. But I'm not planning on putting it on eBay and shipping it out. Same goes for the rest of the car. If anybody wanted these body panels. I did get asked if I would sell the engine, which I will if somebody really wants it. But as you can see, it's still in here because I don't know how serious they are. The engine runs fine. There's still some other stuff I need to get off. Like I said, the interior, some of the stuff is out. I still have to take the steering wheel, the controls off, airbag out. The door panels I still have to take off. That's what it's looking like right now. Still have not sold the wheels and tires, which I would like to, but it is nice having them on so I can roll this around when I get rid of it. As you can see, just a quick little update for you guys. I am working on it. What I plan on doing now is getting the stuff that I took off on eBay, start getting that stuff listed and hopefully get that sold. And then I can keep taking it apart. So as I've told you guys a bunch of times before, I'm not selling everything from this car. I'm going to take off what I need. So if I can get the stuff that I already have off listed on eBay, start getting that out the door, making money, I'll take the rest of the parts off the car and then I'm gonna get rid of the car. It's getting closer and closer to winter time now, so hopefully I can get this one out. Hopefully I'll get another couple in over winter, but who knows? We could have a really bad winter up here in Massachusetts, or it could be pretty mild, so it's all a give and take. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get this first batch of parts listed on eBay, then take the second batch off. I'll probably only have to take apart the car one more time and then have all the parts that I need. I have been keeping up on eBay, looking at it to see if there's anything else that's been selling that I originally didn't see on my list. Before I get rid of this car, I'll do one more big sweep on eBay to see what else I might be able to take off and sell. As of right now, I have not sold anything. I haven't listed anything on eBay. This car is listed on Facebook right now, but nobody has come and bought anything from it yet. I've had a lot of questions, but no one has bought anything. So I think eBay is my best bet, which I've already told you guys that it usually is. So I'm going to get this stuff listed on in the next week, and then I'll check back in and let you know how it's going. So thanks for watching. Just trying to give you guys a quick little update on the car. I'll catch you later.